What's the main difference between the Domino 500 and the Domino 700? Both of them operate the same way and are designed to do the same type of joinery. And both of them come with similar attachments. And as you can see, the Domino 700 is quite a bit bigger than the Domino 500. And that's because the Domino 700 has a bigger motor and drives bigger bits, while the Domino 500 has a smaller motor and drives smaller bits. With the Domino 700, you can use a 14, 12, 10, and 8 millimeter bits, allowing you to make mortises and use dominoes from 14 by 140 all the way down to 8 by 40. And the Domino 500 uses a 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter bit, allowing you to use dominoes from 4 by 20 up to 10 by 50. And you can see there's a little bit of an overlap right here, where both units can do the 8 by 40, 8 by 50, and 10 by 50. The Domino 700 also has the option to use two different types of mechanical connectors, one for flat or butt joints and one for corner joints. And it also comes with 14 by 75 dominoes to stabilize those joints if you need to, depending on the application. And the Domino 500 has 4 different types of mechanical connectors, 2 for pass-through connectors and 2 for corner connectors. As you can see by the size of the Domino 500 and the dominoes that go with it, it's best suited for working with smaller materials, specifically plywood or thin stock where you're making things like cabinets. Whereas the 700, being much bigger, is more suited to larger joinery, tables and furniture and things like that.